Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x solution. 3 power x plus 9 power x equal to 27 power x. Now we are going to divide by 27 power x on both sides. 3 power x by 27 power x plus 9 power x by 27 power x equal to 27 power x by 27 power x. This cancels this, so we have 1 here. So 3 power x by 27 power x plus 9 power x by 27 power x equal to 1. We know that a power n by b power n equal to a by b whole power n. We are going to implement this here. 3 by 27 whole power x plus 9 by 27 whole power x equal to 1. This can be written as 1 by 9. 1 by 9 whole power x plus this can be written as 1 by 3 whole power x equal to 1. 1 by 9 can be written as 1 by 3 whole power 2 whole power x plus 1 by 3 whole power x equal to 1. This can change here. So 1 by 3 whole power x whole power 2 plus 1 by 3 whole power x equal to 1. Let us consider 1 by 3 whole power x equal to y. So y square plus y equal to 1. Now this can be changed as y square plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now we are going to find by quadratic equation y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 1. So minus 1 plus or minus 1 square root of 1 plus 4 by 2 minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 by 2. This is y. So y equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 is the 1. Y equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 by 2. Recall y equal to 1 by 3 whole power x. So here 1 by 3 whole power x equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. This side 1 by 3 whole power x equal to minus 1 minus 5 by 2. This side is negative, this is plus, so we are rejecting this. Rejected. Now take a log on both sides for this. log 1 by 3 whole power x equal to log minus 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. Log 1 by 3 whole power x equal to log 5 square root of 5 minus 1 by 2. According to the power log formula, this x will come here. So x log 1 by 3 equal to log square root of 5 minus 1 by 2. Divide log 1 by 3 on both sides. So x log 1 by 3 by log 1 by 3 equal to log square root of 5 minus 1 by 2 log 1 by 3. Log 1 by 3 cancels. This log 1 by 3. So we have x equal to log square root of 5 minus 1 by 2 by log 1 by 3. Based on this log formula, log a by log b equal to log a base b. Going to use apply here. So x equal to log square root of 5 minus 1 by 2 in base 1 by 3. This is x.